Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review this awesome looking box. I have to say, it is the Sports Edition GoPro-like camera. In front of the box itself indicates full HD 1080p, and at the bottom of the box itself has some different colors. Now here's one thing, it's indicating that it is waterproof 30 meters. The box itself looks really nice, the way that they packaged it. Again, you can tell that it came from China, the way that I got squished around, and also on the side it does say sports camera, and it says 2.0 inch screen. It does have some little pictures there, and then going on the back has way more information. Specifications: 1080p plus waterproof. Then it says video 1920 by 1080p 15 frames per second. Then it also indicates 720p pixels 30 frames per second. So we will get into this in a few seconds, that how much it kind of give us disappointment. So we will go through this. Guys, these are being sold on Amazon. We did contact them. We have requested that we want to send this back, but from the seller itself we didn't get any response. Amazon, we received 50% discount, so kind of we lost money on this. This was not really that expensive anyways, so we thought we should throw our money to see if we can get something like the GoPro quality. Kind of like we paid for the parts, the way that I look at it, but the camera part kind of really put us down. So here you go, we will unbox it right now, and once you take everything out, the components that are part of this is the actual waterproof housing and the camera itself inside of it, and also comes with an extra battery, which is really cool. And also it has the clip, and it says clip number 1. Then we did get some handlebars and pole mount. We also got another mount that we can hook it up to a handle, which is not part of this. And also we have another mount number 3, which we can hook this up to a handheld camera itself, or handheld handle, which is not part of the box itself. You got to purchase that separately. It costs around 20 bucks. And also another second mount, so you can connect this to a regular camera mount, which is really cool. But here you go. It starts the worst part. It's indicating 1080p video. Once we hook it up and we start filming, you can see it right now. That is really bad. It is 360p, which is not even 480i or 480p, so we can get a little bit better quality. You can see it that it puts huge markings in the bottom, and also the quality really bad. But what we did is we wanted to test to see if it really going to have water gone through the case itself, since it doesn't cost that much. So here you go, we put it on the water itself. You can see that the water hits it. It looks really cool. The water does not penetrate to go inside, but you can see the quality that we are getting from the camera itself. But you can see that how it really looks. So this camera does cost about 26 bucks Canadian. Again, this is really cool if you want to get somebody pranked and you want to send them a really good camera. It would be really cool prank that you want to play for friends. But I have to mention that please do let them know that this camera is not really going to give them a high quality. So hopefully we will reach out to a few companies to see if we can get a better one for a cheaper price. We will bring it for you guys to see if you guys like it or not. Except that, I hope you guys like this video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.